Hi there, just like to welcome you back to the channel today. Today I'll be showing you how to make a quick lasagna, veggie ground lasagna. And I also veggie ground lasagna. And I also have some lasagna pasta. I also have some jerk red sauce. And I also have some cashew sauce. The first thing we want to do is to put the veggie ground at the bottom of your tray. Today I'll be doing 2 layers instead of multiple layers, so I'm going to do 2 layers. And then I'm going to put some pasta at the bottom. Then I'm going to put a bit of sauce. This is my special jerk sauce I'm putting on the top here. And you'll find the special jerk sauce. If you click on the channel. This is the red jerk sauce. You'll find it there. So a bit of red sauce, jerk sauce on there. And I'm going to put some more meat. Some more veggie ground, should I say, not meat. Some more veggie ground. I'm only doing 2 layers today. But you can do multiple layers, but I'm doing 2 layers today. And then I'm going to put some more lasagna on it. And then I'm going to put this is a cashew sauce. I'm going to put the cashew sauce on it. Today I'm cooking away from home, so as you notice, I don't have much cheese sauce, but I'm going to make it spread, and I'm not going to put any cheese on it. We have them for 35 to 40 minutes and about 150. Yeah, please remember to subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you very much for watching again today.